In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite your participants into a meeting or an existing meeting that you are on. You want to invite your friends. You can do that. Let's say we start an instant meeting from here. And let's say we start here. So to invite your participants, you can come over to these participants. You can just click on this small arrow and you can see invite link or invite via an email. You can type in their email, whichever email they have. You can just type in and invite them, or you can put in their contact. Okay, choose from the list or type into filter, or you can copy the link directly or copy invitation. So you can copy invitation. This is the meeting password. Okay, so you can copy invitation. So let's say I want to paste in somewhere here, so we can just have an example of what the invitation is going to look like. So this is a complete invitation of the meeting. This is the Zoom link that they can click to join, and then this is the meeting ID, and this is the password in case if they just want to join. So you can just copy the link, the invitation, and just share with someone. All right, so it's very easy to do that. Or alternatively, you can come over here, copy the invite. Is the same thing. You can come over here, for example, and just paste it, and you can see this is just going to invite someone via the link. Once he clicks the link, you just join the meeting and we can continue to have a conversation. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.